This is such a great birthday present. My phone's ringing, Haley! Go see who it is!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning
Tell her we're in the basement.
County until 3:45.
I want to hear where they cited it.
At 3:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a confirmed tornado just north of Harvard. This tornado is moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hebron and Richmond. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yeah, everyone's still here.
Sirens are going off again, guys.
I don't know, they just saw a thing where they spotted one touch the ground in
Harvard.
But I thought,
Sirens going off again, guys. I'm gonna go record it.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado
Spencer, come here, open the door for me again.
McHenry County until 3:45 p.m.
Sirens are going off again.
3:27 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a confirmed tornado just north of Harvard. This tornado is moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hebron and Richmond. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the
Guys, this is the second time the sirens have gone off in less than 5 minutes.
mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect for southeastern Walworth County until
No, it wasn't.
5 p.m. At 3:28 p.m.
Are your mom and all them coming over to get in our basement or what? They go to Roger's house?
Capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was
Because I think this is serious.
or near Harvard.
It never ends! Because I do. This one has to be for Wisconsin. If this is for Illinois.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northern Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, Racine County in southeast Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 3:28 p.m.
What do you mean?
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe
We live really
thunderstorm
close to
capable of
Wisconsin.
producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Walworth, or 6 miles south of Williams Bay, and moving northeast
What?
at 45 miles per hour.
Maybe.
This tornadic storm will be near Powers Lake and Twin Lakes around 3:45 p.m.
I'm not trying to scare
Owners
you.
Lake around 3:50 p.m. Browns Lake and Silver Lake around 3:55 p.m. Paddock Lake around 4 o'clock p.m. Eagle Lake and Union Grove around 4:05 p.m. Sturtevant around 4:15 p.m. Wind Point, Racine Baton Airport in downtown Racine around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm.
We've been under tornado warnings so many.
New Munster, Burlington, Kansasville, North Cape, Caledonia, Franksville, and North Bay. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors.
What if it's coming from? What if it's coming from that way back there and we can't see it? We better get inside.
this cracker bringing that thing out with a big metal pole coming out.
The severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb and western Kane counties has expired. Remember, a tornado warning remains in effect for portions.
Yeah, I gotta go, guys.